Here we have okay, an HP laptop not turning on. Do we have a light? Yes, we do have a light, charging light. And it's turning on. Let's see. Do we have a display? Can see a light to the side. It went off. Let me press again. Turning on. You know what? This is dead. Let's check this out. Okay guys, so step number 1, you can do a physical inspection. Another thing is we can remove the CMOS battery. Let's reset this machine. Okay, let's reset this machine, put back the hard drive. To reset a machine, you know what to do, right? Take a tweezers, connect one probe there on the hard drive, on the CMOS battery connector, negative and positive. You short them for 60 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, and then right, let's connect the charger again. Let's see. So a fan moving, then something is wrong. There is a light. The fan is spinning. The fan stopped. The fan is spinning again. Nothing on the screen. I don't think there's information on the screen. Transition. Just imagine getting paid for removing the cockroach poop on the RAM slot on the laptop, and the guy, the client, is paying you for that. Guys, please, you need to be serious. Send me some serious laptops. You can't be sending me laptops with some poop. You are not being serious, I'm telling you. Anyway, these laptops are dead. It's clear that the issue is not the poop, because see, it's not turning on. Seshinkinga la iBIOS. iBIOS ngifuna uyibone nje silana sinjani. That's how to iBIOS. I told you guys, cleaning this cockroach poop was the best thing ever. It's now working. It means the issue was the RAM. Okay, this RAM is faulty, this RAM. Let me clean this RAM. Hello? Hello?
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes, brother.
Yes, I missed your call, man.
Anyway, I was saying your laptop, it's working now. Has been fixed, yes. So,
The hinge is fine now.
100%.
Okay, that's fine. Just send me, okay, let me give you details and you just send me the invoice, the payment.
No worries, man. Just, I think I'm gonna send you a text on WhatsApp.
Okay?
I'm gonna send a text message on WhatsApp.
Okay,
Or a shop.
sure.
Connect another RAM. Alright guys, I know what is the problem here. The RAM is faulty. We have to give a client another RAM he can use a 2 gig, a singular 2 gig, but this machine came with 2 gigs, so in total is 4 gig, and the RAM on top is the one that is faulty. Let me show you why I'm saying that. Removing this RAM. Let's see if the issue is caused by the RAM or is caused by the slot. There we go, turning on. Take the same RAM, put it on the on top. There we go, still it's working, meaning the issue is the RAM. We have to change the RAM, put back the CMOS, let me call Robert. I need something from Robert.
Welcome to voicemail. Please leave a voice or text message. Welcome to voicemail.
Damn.
Leave a voice or fax message.
Let's give a client another RAM session.